Ever found yourself staring blankly at a form, needing your account and routing numbers right now, and you're absolutely drawing a blank? Like, where did you put that information? Especially when it's for something important, like setting up direct deposit for your paycheck or paying a bill online. It's a frustrating, time-wasting scramble, isn't it? We've all been there. And if you're a Sofi user, you know their app is sleek and powerful, but sometimes finding those crucial details can feel like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. Let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, we're bombarded with information. Banking apps, investment platforms, payment services, it's a lot to keep track of. So, when you suddenly need your account and routing numbers, it's easy to get flustered. You might think, didn't I write that down somewhere? Or maybe it's in an email? And while those might be options, they're not the most efficient. Think about the last time you needed to set up a recurring payment. You were probably on a website or app, staring at those empty fields, wondering where to find the magic numbers that would make it all work. Or maybe you're starting a new job, and HR needs your direct deposit information ASAP. The pressure is on, and you just want a quick, reliable way to access those details. Now, you might be thinking, why can't banks just make this easier? And you're right. It should be simpler. But navigating the digital landscape of finance requires a bit of know-how. That's why we're here today. We're going to cut through the confusion and show you exactly how to find your Sofi account and routing numbers quickly and easily. We'll break down the process step by step, making sure you understand every aspect. Whether you're a tech whiz or someone who prefers a more straightforward approach, we've got you covered. No more scrambling, no more frustration. Just clear, concise instructions. Before we dive into the specifics of Sofi, let's quickly touch on why these numbers are so important. Your routing number, a 9-digit code, identifies your bank or credit union. It's like the address of your financial institution. Your account number, on the other hand, is unique to your individual account. It's the specific identifier that links transactions to you. Together, they form the backbone of electronic fund transfers, direct deposits, and many other financial transactions. Now, let's get to the good stuff, finding those numbers in your Sofi account. First things first, you'll need to open your Sofi mobile app. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not, enter your credentials and get logged in. Once you're in, you'll see your account dashboard. This is your central hub for all things Sofi. Now, here's where things can vary slightly, depending on whether you're looking for your checking account or your savings account information. Sofi's interface is designed to be user-friendly, but it's important to pay attention to the details. For your checking account numbers, you'll typically want to tap on your checking account tile. This will bring up your account details. Look for an option that says something like Account Details or Direct Deposit. Sometimes, it might be hidden under a menu option represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Once you're in the Account Details section, you should see your account and routing numbers displayed clearly. Sofi usually presents these numbers in a way that makes them easy to copy or share. You might see a copy button next to each number, which is incredibly handy. If you're looking for your savings account numbers, the process is very similar. Tap on your savings account tile and look for the same Account Details or Direct Deposit options. Again, the numbers should be readily available. Now, let's talk about a crucial point. Sofi has different routing numbers for different purposes. This is important to understand. For instance, the routing number for direct deposit might be different from the routing number for wire transfers. So, if you're setting up a wire transfer, make sure you're using the correct routing number. Sofi usually makes this clear within the app, but it's always good to double-check. If you're having trouble finding the numbers in the app, Sofi also provides other options. You can often find your account and routing numbers on your monthly statements. These statements are usually available in PDF format within the app or on the Sofi website. Another option is to contact Sofi customer support directly. They can provide you with your account and routing numbers over the phone or through secure messaging. Sofi's customer support is known for being responsive and helpful, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Let's say you're on a desktop computer and you prefer to find these details there. You can log into your Sofi account through their website. The process is very similar to the app experience. Navigate to your checking or savings account details, and you'll see the numbers displayed there. One important tip: always double-check the numbers before using them. A single-digit error can lead to transactions failing or funds being deposited into the wrong account. Accuracy is key. Now, let's address a common concern: security. You might be wondering if it's safe to access your account and routing numbers through the app. Sofi employs robust security measures to protect your information. They use encryption and other security protocols to ensure that your data is safe and secure. However, it's always a good idea to practice good security habits, such as using a strong password and enabling two-factor authentication. To summarize, finding your Sofi account and routing numbers is a straightforward process. Just open your Sofi app, navigate to your account details, and you'll find the numbers clearly displayed. Remember to double-check the numbers and use the correct routing number for your specific transaction. If you have any trouble, Sofi customer support is always available to help. We've covered the basics, but here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Keep a record. While you can always access your numbers in the app, it's a good idea to keep a written record of them in a secure place. Be cautious. Never share your account and routing numbers with anyone you don't trust. Stay updated. Make sure your Sofi app is always up to date to ensure you have access to the latest features and security updates. Finding your account and routing numbers shouldn't be a stressful experience. With the right guidance and a little practice, you can access this information quickly and easily. And now, you have the knowledge to do just that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.